Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to set up parental controls on iPhone. So to do this, first you would just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your phone. Now once you are on the settings, guys, to set up the parental controls, it will be on the screen time. So go ahead and scroll down, go for the screen time over here. Now from here, guys, you will have multiple options like content and privacy restriction, which you could just simply turn this on, and you will have other options to blur out any privacy over here. And pretty much you will have filters that you might want to consider over here. Now, another option is go for lock screen time settings. So pretty much you could use a specific passcode to secure screen time setting. And after that, it will prompt you to enter your Apple ID and password to allow the passcode recovery. Pretty much over here on the screen time, you could provide the downtime and you could turn it on to provide a specific time that only apps that you choose allow and phone calls will be available. And after that, you could go for the app limits as well, which you could limit every application on a specific time frame, and you will have always allowed screen distance, and pretty much you will have all of the options over here to set up your parental controls. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.